Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Lauren Shu and I create awesome content on food, culture, my life as a new mom, and anything that interests me that I believe will interest you too. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I need my subscribers to get to 2,000 before the end of this year at least. Thank you for subscribing, like the video, and if you find it interesting at the end of the day, you can share. So for my old subscribers, this is like the second episode of this like weekly vlog thing that I'm about to begin. I want to do my best to post at least one video every week because I believe that the consistency is going to help the algorithm to have mercy on me and push my videos so that you guys can watch. So today's vlog is starting with me and baby Zoe. Baby Zola is there with Auntie Thelma. Yeah, they are having fun. So we are waiting for our Yango. Yeah, Yango is what's Yango tema? Na taxi. Yeah, na taxi literally, but taxi we get up, you know, you order your rides and then they come and collect you. So so we are just waiting for the car to come here, and yeah, we just want to go to China Mall. We want to shop toys for my 4-month-old baby. She is developing very well and we believe that it is high time to get her some toys, some colorful things, or some toys that sing songs. I don't know, something like that. Hi people, hi everyone. So we are back from China Mall. Hey, Douala is hot. So I just want to show you guys everything that we bought from China Mall. Hey, now this was shopping on what? A very, very tight budget. The very first thing I'm going to be showing this beautiful hat that Auntie Thelma took for herself. How do you find this hat? We bought it for 1,200. Shaving sticks. So I decided to take this one because they were selling it at 1,500 francs and it has one stick, many heads. So I think it is economical. For the real reason we went to China Mall, we had this nice toy, 500 francs. So I'm hoping that baby Zola is going to enjoy. I hope she's going to enjoy her toy. We bought this for her. The next thing we bought was this sponge to wash the face. This is for me. We had this baby Vaseline from Bebe Hygiene. Bebe Hygiene is one of the oldest brands of baby things that I know. So then also found these very, very intriguing toys. Okay, look. And finally, we bought this mask for my skincare purposes. So at the end of the day, we do not really find like toys. 4 months old baby, 4 months old baby still cannot do a lot, so you need to buy very exciting things. So at the end of the day, we had to go to Facebook, and then we found something very interesting. This toy that talks, when you talk it repeats. We found it, and they're selling it for 9,500. Hey Jesus, 9,500. So this is what it looks like. See the dry thing that are selling for 9,500. But anyway, I bought it because it is quite interesting. And when Zolani is going to be talking, I'm going to play it so that it's going to repeat her words. Okay, look at this. Hi. It repeats everything you say, just like a parrot. Yeah, it has some limitations anyway. But I like it because when Zolani will be crying, I'll be playing. Hey, and what finna talk? I like it because I just like it for baby Zola. I even like it for myself.
Je m'appelle Kenzo. Tu t'appelles comment un peu?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, world. Hi, people. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Yesterday ended with the highlight of yesterday was the shopping and the baking. We baked the cake, and today is Sunday. So today I'm going to be try and like pump out some milk because I want to do a banana puree for baby, and I just looked at the recipe. I just looked up the recipe, and I'm going to have to use bananas and some breast milk, just to make the consistency good for her. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. But before that, we want to bake another cake today. Hey guys, so this is behind the scenes BTS. Call me videographer Lorraine Shu, and then call her Baker Delma. No, say all for you and maximum. All to you know the coconut Bobby. Yeah. Banana puree gone wrong. Hi guys. So we've done baking. We are done baking. As you saw in the video, baby did not accept the banana puree. Anyway, she had her breast milk as usual, and now we are stepping out. We are going to the fun center. I've been to the fun center before. If you like to watch a video about the fun center, you can click on this link. It is doing like this, like this, like this. Anyway, we are going out, and I want to show you guys and see Thelma's outfit. She is hot. Let me show you her outfit. Come on, stand here. Oh my goodness. See the girl. Where? Hot auntie. The hottest auntie in town. We are at the fun center. Auntie Thelma has made me to be taking her nice pictures. She's feeling pretty.
It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We're bringing them in now. Till the early morning. Got a barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire.
Hey guys, we are done at the fun center and we are heading to the next location to have something to eat. Of course, what's an outing without some, little snacks? Hi Babyzola. Babyzola got bored at some point and she was just crying, so I just sat outside and I was waiting for everybody to finish. See you there.
Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Lick up party, make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me.
This is where the night ends. I am Auntie Thelma. We've had so much fun. So much fun. I might also have to end the vlog here. Thank you for being with me throughout this video. See you next time. Bye.